Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here guys with breaking news that just came out a few hours ago, and today we're going to be talking about the DJI Mavic Air 3. That's right guys, and we actually have a video that was released with a prototype of what could be the next generation Mavic Air 3, my friends. And I mean, this is going to be an absolute banger video. It's going to be really exciting, so make sure you don't miss out on this video. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you can participate in our next giveaway that we're going to be doing very soon. In our last giveaway that we did a few weeks ago, we gave away a brand new Mavic Air 2 to one of our subscribers. So you guys want to keep on seeing more giveaways and to participate in the next one, all you have to do is subscribe. So make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel so you can participate in our next giveaway. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a super exciting one guys, and I couldn't be more excited to share all this info with all of you. Today, just a few hours ago, we got a video and a tweet from tdoay, the man, the myth, the legend. tdoay, really reliable source. He posted a video and a tweet that said the following. We're gonna get started right here with the tweet. Once upon a time, there was a Mavic Air 2 prototype with extra eyes, and then we have a video, and this is something that looks really exciting. And please don't start saying this is Photoshop. How the hell is this gonna be Photoshop, guys? We see the full gimbal, the extra sensors. I mean, this is absolute bonkers. This is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and share the video with all of you guys. There we have the video guys, and I mean, this thing looks absolutely amazing. It looks beautiful. So what tdoay is telling us is that this was a prototype for the Mavic Air 2. Okay, this didn't came out, but this could actually be the next generation Mavic Air 3, and I'm going to tell you why. So I think that what DJI released here is something perfect for now, but what we see there is something very interesting. Okay, the first thing that we can see is that it has a different shell on the top, okay, with sensors, which is something that the DJI Mavic Air 2 actually lacks. Okay, we don't have sensors on the top or on the sides, and it looks like this version of the Mavic, this prototype, has sensors on the top, and I mean, that looks absolutely amazing. Okay, that's the first difference we see. Okay, now second thing, and the biggest one, is the camera. We see what looks to be like the Mavic 2 Pro camera. It looks like it's a 1-inch sensor from Hasselblad, and I mean, this camera looks absolutely stunning with that stainless steel right here, and I mean, this looks beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so could this be the Mavic Air 3? This could very well be what DJI might be implementing on the next generation Air. Okay, so we got the Mavic Air 2 in April of last year. Okay, so most DJI drones have a lifetime of 2 years, so this will mean that we will be seeing the DJI Mavic Air 3 in April of 2022. Okay, we're 1.5 years away from that actually happening. The Mavic Air 2 has been in the market for 6 months. Okay, so right now, what most people care about in drones are two things: flight time and camera specs. So I think what we see right here, I mean, DJI will fix all of the issues that we have on the Mavic Air 2. We do have a 1/2-inch sensor, but I mean, if we get a 1-inch sensor, I mean, that will be absolutely perfect for pro consumers. And I mean, that's what we're talking about here. We haven't gotten a pro consumer drone since 2018, and I mean, this looks stunning. The second thing that people care about, was I already mentioned, was flight time and the camera. And if DJI is able to fit a longer flight time with the new Mavic Air 3, that will be a great drone. Okay, is it too soon to start thinking a Mavic Air 2 replacement? I don't think so guys, because as we already mentioned, we haven't seen a pro drone since the Mavic 2 Pro came out. So I mean, it's time to start thinking about a Mavic 3, or I mean, Mavic Air 3 might be coming soon, guys. I mean, as we already mentioned, our predictions for the Mavic 3 is supposed to be on April of 2022. So that's not too far away. It's coming soon. So make sure that you guys stay tuned here on the channel if you guys want to keep on with the latest drone news. As soon as we have any more Mavic Air 3 leaks, we're going to keep you guys updated here in the channel, okay? That's all that we have at the moment. This looks to be something very promising, something really reliable, and I mean, I'm super excited to see what the Mavic Air 3 has in store for us. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest drone news. Drone in Motion, signing out.